All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we about to put our foot in this casserole right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a black-eyed pea casserole. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here, we have our ground beef. Now, if you don't want to use ground beef, you can use ground turkey. It's totally up to you. We have some black-eyed peas right here. They're already cooked. I got them in the can, so you can get them in the can, or you can cook your own. Make sure you drain them. 2 cups of cooked rice right here. We already cooked our rice. No need to go through that step. Some shredded cheese, chopped onions, garlic powder and black pepper, Creole seasoning, cream of mushroom. If you don't have cream of mushroom, use cream of chicken, that's fine. Some Rotel here, we've drained it. Chopped garlic, red and green bell peppers chopped. And we have some smoked sausage here. Now, if you don't want to use smoked sausage, use turkey sausage, whatever you want, or just leave it out. Doesn't matter. Let's get to it. We're gonna start off by heating up some olive oil. As our oil comes up to temperature, we're gonna add our sausage. And we're gonna get these cooked all the way through. All right, after a few minutes of cooking our sausage, we're gonna go in with our onions, our red and green bell peppers, and we're gonna get this mixed in as it continues to cook. We want those onions to become translucent and those sausage to be cooked all the way through. All right, so after addition of 3 to 4 minutes, what I did was I went ahead and add the garlic. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So we're gonna continue to let this cook as those sausages become cooked all the way through and our onions translucent. So we're gonna let this go for about another 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so it looks like we're good here. I'm gonna pause our heat and I'm just gonna transfer this to a bowl and reserve it, and we're gonna come right back. All right, we're gonna unpause our heat, add our ground beef, and we're gonna get this cooked all the way through. We're gonna crumble it up as we go. As we break that down, we're gonna come across that with our black pepper and garlic powder, our Creole seasoning, and we're gonna continue to get that cooked all the way through until it's brown. So now that our ground beef is brown, I'm gonna turn off our heat. I'm gonna add this to a bowl. We're gonna move back over to our cutting board. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. So in this step, we're gonna start combining all the remaining of the ingredients. So make sure you have a decent sized bowl. We're gonna add our sausage and onion mixture here, along with our ground beef. Make sure you drain your ground beef. I didn't tell you to do that, but you wanna drain it. Add your rice. And we're gonna get this mixed up like this. Man, I hope this is big enough for this particular part of the recipe, step of the recipe. Guys, make sure you mix it well. And the addition of the smoked sausage, reason I like to add the smoked sausage, it just gives it it just intensifies the flavor. You know, ground beef could just be, it's not that type of meat that like intensifies a particular flavor. With this smoked sausage, just that flavor of the smoked sausage intensifies the flavor. Now we're gonna come behind that with our cream of mushroom, our Rotel, and let's start with half our black-eyed peas if we can. You know what, let's put them all in here. We'll get it all mixed up. Now we're gonna get it all combined. So this may take a few minutes, guys, because you wanna make sure you get it all combined well. All right, so it looks like we've got this baby mixed. Take a look at that right there. All right, so we're gonna move this aside. We're gonna take our mixture and we're gonna add it here to our pan. Now we're gonna come behind that with our cheese. And guys, you could use a mixture of cheese if you want. That's totally up to you. I like cheddar cheese in this particular one. I've used white cheddar too, which is fine. You can also use some Colby chat. All right, so now we're gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes on 350 degrees. It's already preheated, and we're gonna cook it uncovered, all right? So we're gonna get this in the oven, we're gonna come back. And this is what we have after about 25 minutes into the oven. And you know good and well not to forget that green stuff, to top it off with that green stuff. Guys, let's go ahead and get this baby plated up so we can jump into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Black-eyed pea casserole. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. It's time to do a taste test. All right, guys, it's time to get to it. Quality control. Man, look at that. We're gonna bring it to the front of the congregation. Y'all already know. Man, black-eyed pea casserole. Let's make sure we get a little bit of everything on that. That sausage, rice, and cheese. And them peas. Oh man, I think I got it right here. Oh, look at all that cheese, man. Oh man, y'all already know this baby cheesy. Just like I said, cheesy, beefy, sausagey, ricey, man. I don't think I need to do nothing. Just dash this baby with a little hot sauce and we good to go. Oh man, your next family gathering or your next get together, you want this on the table. Delicious. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Not to mention black-eyed pea.